Company. Spring. Spring is one of the 4 seasons. Spring, summer, winter, fall. The sun feels warmer in spring. The days get longer. Plants begin to grow. Flowers bloom. Birds build nests. They lay their eggs. Many baby animals are born. The piglets are so cute. Farmers plant crops. The corn grows fast. It can be windy. Jimmy flies a kite. It often rains. Grace likes to jump in puddles. What will you do this spring?
Now that you've learned all about spring, it's your job to go on Seesaw and take a video. Can you tell your teacher at least one thing that you learned about spring? I can't wait to see your videos.